guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of the Passive Income Show, where I'm showing you what I'm doing to generate multiple streams of income. Now, today, I know, new look, shaved off the beard. You know, this coronavirus thing has you questioning everything about facial hair and haircuts and all that stuff. So anyway, whatever. But today, made $139 in just under 9 minutes, so really excited about that. Only traded once, which was great as well. But the negative thing was, had some more difficulty with TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform, which, let's talk about it. So here we go. All right, so here we are inside of the Thinkorswim platform. Here you can see 300 shares traded today and up $139. So that's excellent. My trade happened, you can see down here on the 1 minute chart, you can see my trade happened very early on in the trading session. It was about, what would it be? About 3 minutes in. And so what's going on with the charts today is I saw that the S&P 500 was up, at that point it was up roughly 2% or whatever it was. And so I thought, okay, the trend is your friend, and so I'm going to trade this upwards because I thought that it would approach some of these resistance levels. So if you look up here on the 5 minute chart, you can see that we're approaching this sort of this trend line here in gold. And then we're also reaching this horizontal resistance level at 297.66. And so that's the way the market is trending. So I thought, okay, we'll probably go there. So I'm going to trade with the trend because after all, the trend is your friend. To give you another example of what this looks like, I'm going to zoom way out. And let's see if this will, there we go. I mean, this is where we are. This is where we've come from. So, the huge coronavirus sell-off. And then since then, we've been making our way up, but we've reached this sort of continuation here, jumping between the 277s and the low 290s on the SPY ETF, which again tracks the S&P 500. So that's where we're at, and I wanted to trade along with that trend. So this is what happened today. I used the exponential moving average as an entry point, and I was going to be patient on this, and so I waited to see when I could get a good entry point near this moving average. And I actually traded this red candle. Once it came back down and touched along this moving average, that's when I entered the trade. So it was at roughly 293.15, and then right away it was so choppy with TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. It was so choppy that it was jumping all around, but it wasn't giving me accurate readings. So the chart here would do one thing, but then the price action here on my active trader would do another thing, and so I was freaking out. So I tried my best in between like freezes to set a stop, and I set a stop right here at 292.90. Thankfully, I didn't get stopped out because this did come down to 292.99, and so I could have easily gotten stopped out. But again, I should say this as well. I didn't want to go short. Number one, it wasn't part of the plan. It wasn't part of the trend. But I want to add this. I don't want to go short early in the trading session with TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform because I've had not good luck getting it filled. And so anyway, one of the other reasons I went long this morning was because I knew I could execute. And so had some trouble, but did execute. So anyway, here I entered the trade, bounced down, came back up, bounced down again, and then when this 1 minute candle closed again, it tried to come back down, 292.97 roughly, and then we saw it take off. And so I rode this trade all the way up, adjusting the stop accordingly, and I ended up getting stopped out at about 293.97, roughly around there. But so from here to here, that was my move, and you can see now it's come back down, wasn't able to find any more momentum moving up, and we're kind of reached this level by the VWAP. So we'll see where this goes today. I'm not going to be watching it. I've got other stuff to do. This has been trading. It's just very erratic the way the S&P 500 has been trading. A lot of volatility in the market. And so I don't want to stick around for it. I'm up $139, and that is that. On the month, I did do some monthly calculations for this month of May. Overall, I've only had 3 losing days so far in the month of May. So that's exciting for me to have so few losing days because we're on the 3rd week of trading. And yeah, this is kind of cool to say. Anyway, with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a great day today. Look forward to some other videos coming up in the future. I'm not just going to stick to day trading. I think I've mentioned this in other videos. Not just going to stick to day trading. I've got some really interesting ideas for where to take this next, and also going to do a full recap, like I've been saying for a while, about what I've learned in my experiences of trying to learn how to day trade. So that's all to come. If you like this sort of thing, stick around and hit the subscribe button. That little bell notifies you. You guys all know that already. And then the like button. That just helps this channel get out there to people who might want to search for it in that little Google search bar. So other than that, have a wonderful day. Be productive today, and I'll see you in the next episode of the Passive Income Show. Take care.